It all starts with a question. What if we could create a new era for Nashville Sounds baseball by introducing an idea, a new identity that is true and represents all of Nashville, a look etched from our heritage. Throughout much of the 20th century, Germantown was Nashville's baseball mecca. With the Nashville Vols introducing the game to the city, we pulled from our baseball forefathers to create a classic look for our team that plays on the historic grounds of Sulphur Dell. Confidence, power, and energy defined the teams of our past. We now boldly match that spirit by reintroducing our original colors with a modern take that pulls from the state that calls Nashville its capital. Perhaps even more important than the look is what it represents. A team, a community, a city fueled by its people, the workers, the families, and the generations to come. We come together as one, a full circle movement, ready to embrace the new version of Sounds Baseball. What began as a simple question, we're here to make an undeniable reality. This is just the beginning. Together we are the Nashville Sounds Remastered.